Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my subscription boxes from Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I know in the previous ones I've unboxed Allure and I only got 2 of them, but it wasn't my thing. So we're sticking with Boxycharm and Ipsy because they are my favorites. So these are for the month of July, which I'm really excited because I actually received them early in the month, but we're gonna unbox them together. Before we jump into it though, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you wanna find out what I got in my subscription boxes this month, just keep watching. So as usual, let's jump into Ipsy. I'm really excited because I get some awesome products in here. Sometimes they're things that I've wanted to try, and then sometimes there's things I've never heard of, but been really surprised with them. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful bag, and I love that I get different bags because I use them for different things, whether it's in my backpack, my gym bag, whatever I need them for, I have spare bags, and sometimes I give them to friends when I have too many. All right, so this one is the Glam Bag Plus. I also get Glam Bag X. I want to say that's like every 3 months though. All right, so the first thing in here, this is the Item Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for oily and combo skin. This retails for $20, and then one of the cool things with Ipsy and Boxycharm is I get to answer questions based off of my skin, my preferences, and I get items that link to those. So this one is from Item, and I'm excited to try this out because it's a balancing gel moisturizer. Let's see. Lightweight gel moisturizer hydrates and balances skin with glycerin, tiger grass extract, muro butter, and ceramides to replenish natural moisture, won't clog pores or leave any greasy feels. Okay, I'm interested to try this out. I think I have a moisturizer that I just started using, so I'll try this one next. Okay, you guys, I know I haven't done a giveaway in a while, and I'm probably gonna do one very shortly. This is gonna end up going in there because I already have it. These are the Sonage Baby Frio's Mini Icy Globes. These retail for $54. I'm not gonna take this out of the box just because I don't wanna touch this before I send it to someone else. They have little glitter in them, and you put this in the fridge, they'll get nice and icy, and then you just massage like around your eyes, anywhere that you get puffy. Love them just to like trace around the eyes and just kind of deflate them if it's been a rough night and there's puffiness. So this is gonna end up going in the next giveaway for you guys. Next we have the Shades by Shan highlight palette. This retails for $36. Ooh, and there's 4 different shades in here. I absolutely love highlighters, so this definitely is something that I'll get some use out of. So the next time I do a video, I will reach for this. Oh, we have another highlighter. This is the Aracelli Tequila highlighter. Tequila highlighter. This retails for $24. Highlighter is ultra glowy, super buttery, and enriched with agave oil. Inspired by the purest form of tequila, Blanco, this shade dazzles with shimmery pink undertones to amplify the luminosity of your skin and amplify your natural radiance. Intriguing. Now I want to see what it looks like. Ooh, that is stunning. That's pretty. I'm interested in trying this out. Okay, you guys, and the last thing in here, we have the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier. This retails for $48, and I don't get a lot of acne, but I do get oily. So I'd be interested in trying this out, and this is a moisturizer. So I do like Murad. I do have a lot of their products. Ooh. So I'll try this out as well. You know what? So I got, you guys, in Ipsy, I got 2 highlighters, a palette, an individual, and then I got 3 skincare products, 2 moisturizers, and the ice globes. What? I've never had that happen to me with Ipsy. let me go ahead and add this up and see what our total is. Okay, you guys, for 5 full-size products, this box totaled $182. That's not bad because I think I only spent like $25 for this box. Any information, if you want to go ahead and get Boxycharm or Ipsy, I'll have down below in the drop-down box, so definitely go check that out. I absolutely love my subscriptions with them, and except for like the random like lots of moisturizer, which I need in the summer. Okay, next we have Boxycharm, and I get the base box and then premium. It just depends on the time frame because there's also one that they send out quarterly. So this one is the base box, and the theme of it is status 000. But I do like it because they send me a card with the details on it, so I'm not trying to guess. Now the first thing I have in here is from the Beauty Crop. This is Liquid Eyeshadow Duo and retails for $18. Ooh, this is really pretty. So it's copper in shade. Copper or red? So the shades are Cinnamon and Fudge. Like they really don't want me into this. Like they taped where you're supposed to twist it open. I almost cut myself trying to open this packaging. Okay, so this bronzy shade is Fudge. Ooh, that's really pretty. And then we have a matte shade, which is Cinnamon. Ooh, those are really pretty. I'm interested to see what this one right here looks like when you blend it out. Okay, then from 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐿, I have the Multi-Use Face Stacker 3 Cream Shades to Play. This retails for $38, and I guess it's a makeup stack. Oh, this is neat. So open it up and, oh, that is neat. And there is a little mirror, so you got bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Very creamy. I don't know about the highlighter, it's just interesting. I've seen stackable makeup, but I've never purchased it before, so I'm interested to see. Then from Eloise, we have a prismatic makeup brush set, and this has 4 brushes in it. These retail for $22, or I don't know that I need more brushes, but you know, it's always nice to have them in case you need to replace one of your favorites. It looks like you have an angled blending brush, a larger, a large crease brush, a pencil brush, and then what I consider a condensed or compacted smudge brush. So I feel like I could get some good use out of these, and if not, I have a friend who would use them. From Somerville, I have the Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. This retails for $76. I don't find myself spending that much money on my moisturizers. It is a really pretty packaging, very beautiful, a subtle purple. It doesn't smell like there's a fragrance, but it smells like makeup. It smells chemically. Oh, it feels nice on the skin. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then the last thing in here, we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This retails for $32. I do like Saturday Skin. They have some amazing products. I'm actually using their toner right now. Oh, look at the packaging. It's so cute. I do like Yuzu. I love Yuzu. Oh, it smells so good. There's such a light, airy scent. And it just looks like that in the package. I do need a good eye cream. This will go into the medicine cabinet. All right, let me go ahead and total up this box. Okay, so this base box from Boxycharm totals $186 for 5 full-size products. I think I got my money's worth because I also only spent about $25 for this base box. Okay, and for our last box, it looks like I got into an accident. This is the premium box and also has the same card. This also has 6 full-size products. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here, this is the Lunar Beauty. I love Lunar Beauty. Nude Prism color palette. I ended up not purchasing this. I love Lunar Beauty. It is a makeup brand owned by Manny anyway. He's also a YouTuber. So I'm excited because I didn't end up purchasing it. The packaging is stunning. Love this. This retails for $48. Oh, this is so beautiful. Right up my alley. You have the neutral matte shades. You have some darker shades, some stunning shimmers. Oh my goodness. Now I wish I had done a try-on tutorial, but I'm definitely going to use this in a future video. Look at that. Look at these shimmers. They are stunning. I do have to swatch just a couple. So those three. This one's Laura, Sam, and Expose. Ooh. Stunning. I can't wait to use this, especially because I can absolutely dig into this for work. I'm going to swatch them right there. So buttery, smooth. Love that. Okay, next I have the Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. This retails for $32. Oh, that smells so clean. Such a nice scent. Fresh, clean. It's not overpowering. A crew of idealistic soap nerds, a bucket full of mad ambition, and a dose of blind optimism was all it took to make Stone Street Soap House what it is today. Awesome. I always love a good moisturizer, so I'm interested to try this out. Ooh, I love Luxie. I have the Luxie all-purpose sponge set. I've never tried their sponges. I love their brushes. They are phenomenal. These retail for $40. There are two of them in here. One gray, one pink. I don't want to take them out yet because I'm not ready for a new sponge, but we'll definitely have to give these a try. I've been loving the one that I have from ColourPop, so I'm interested to see how these are. They feel nice and like squishy. Ooh, yes, we will have to try these. Okay, so I've gotten this before and I've given it to my grandmother. Okay, so this is the Outre Best Buds shampoo and conditioner duo. I can't use it only because it has CBD in it and I can't do that in the military. So I will hold on to this again. My grandmother loved it when I gave it to her last time, and she is in a state that authorizes her to have CBD and all that stuff. I'm not gonna put it in the giveaway box. I would love to, but I would hate to send it to someone who, one, doesn't use that, or two, lives in a state that's not authorized to have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to my grandmother because I know that she likes it. And that retails for $66. Okay, you guys, we have the Avent Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. I've used products from them before. I can't remember specifically, but I remember the name. This retails for $110. So that's the other thing. I'm not spending that type of money on products, but I will definitely receive them on Boxycharm and try them out. $110 for cleansing gel. Like, who spends that type of money on cleansing gel for your face? Like, let me read the card and find out why this is so expensive. A mild, non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts that helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. Perfect first step in your skincare regime. That doesn't explain why it's so expensive, you guys. If you know why, let me know down below. Okay, you guys, last product in here. This is the BareMinerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream with broad spectrum SPF 30. This retails for $37, and they sent me the shade Cashew 3.5, which should be my shade with the tan. It actually might be too light. So let's see. I don't know. It's a tinted moisturizer, so maybe it'll take on the color, like, will change based off of my complexion. And if not, I can just use the new 𝐿𝐹 Afterglow that I used today, which this video will be up very shortly if you want to see those products. I will have to try this out and see, and it'll probably be in a video with you guys. Let me go ahead and total up this very expensive box. You guys, this premium box from Boxycharm totaled $333. What? I'm still stuck on $110 for a gel cleanser. Honestly, I only spent, I want to say 35, 40 bucks on the premium box. Like I said, I'll put all of that down below. Definitely go check it out if you're interested, because I would not have spent money on some of these products. Why? I'm going to go stick this in my shower today and we're going to try it out in the morning. But I don't know why it's so expensive. Please someone let me know down below. I'm at a loss for words. But you guys, that is it for this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are there any products in the boxes that I received that you're interested in trying out? Have you gotten your own subscription boxes? Did you get the same products? Did you get something different? Leave your comments. I love interacting with you down there. But you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.